Because I really want to learn some more about sleep medicine.
Some of it was a collective, like our office together decided that we were going to do the program, more or less just to help us help our patients in the field that we work in now, as well as there's things coming down with new regulations and things like that within the province of BC that may require more of the profession to be seen in the industry. So more or less just for us to better ourselves too.
When I retired from respiratory therapy a couple of years ago, I started doing some work in the sleep lab at KGH as a non-registered polysomnography tech, and obviously wanted to get registered and take the BRPT exam. And so that was one of the reasons I just thought I would take Dr. Lai's course just to help some of the self-study supplementation and whatnot.
Probably learned a little more than I had expected. I had done previous courses in sleep, but I think what I learned in the previous course was enhanced in this one.
Dr. Lai's course and all of the instructors and whatnot with the course were far above expectations. The information was extremely well prepared. The information was on task. Honestly, I can't say enough about the course and the knowledge that I learned.
It definitely expanded my level of knowledge about sleep medicine. Before, I know mostly respiratory related issues as a respiratory therapist, but now I learn more from sleep technician side of things. And I get to know about the sleep disorders, so other kind of sleep disorders that aren't quite related to breathing. I hope the student can come to each class prepared, pre-read the materials that's provided, and after class make sure to review the materials too, and even rewatch the recordings.
My biggest advice would be to get some clinical hours in advance of taking the course, because there's a lot of content and it's very technical and very specific, a lot of numbers that need to be rehearsed and memorized. And I think the more exposure you can get in the lab ahead of time probably makes a lot of that material a little bit clearer when you start to really dive into it and study it.
Definitely make sure they do their readings ahead of time. Try to keep up on top of that, and then make your own notes along with what is provided to you as well.